I want to give you some directions that will help you with completing your exercise for your last practical assignment. So it's the Word Chapter 6 on page 395. You're doing the Apply Your Knowledge. It's the editing, printing, and merging a form letter, and it's data source. The files that the book has for you or that the text has for you to use that come from the publisher are the draft letter and the data files. The data files are created using Microsoft Access. If you have access on your computer, you're going to be all set to go. If you do not have access, then you're going to have a bit of a problem because it's going to give you some jubbly kind of stuff and it won't make any sense and it won't pull up in your computer. So I have created an Excel data file for you, and I'm going to put that out there in the class for you to use if you should need it. And then you will follow these instructions for the little change. And it's just the only change is how you pull up the actual file. The way that the book wants you to do is to say yes, that you want that Access database. You don't. You're going to go ahead and say that you don't want that one and you're going to accept the one or find the one that I sent to you. So the first thing you need to do is it asks you to open up the file you need. So it's under your student data files and it's apply 6.1 fundraising letter drafts. So you go ahead and click that open. And then it says to you, do you want to, it says opening this document will run the following SQL command. Select from office address list. You don't want to run that. You don't have, if that is, you do not want to run that if you do not have access. So if you do not have access, you're going to say, no, you don't want to do that. Okay. Then you're going to go to the mailing screen. And then you're going to go to select recipients. And then you're going to drop down to the second one and say that you want to use an existing list. Okay, so you're going to go to the list that I will send to you. You'll save it wherever it is that you want to save it on your computer, hopefully the same spot that you have saved this, this file. So I'm going to go to mine where I've saved it. And here is my office list. And I'm going to click, so I select that file. So here's my Excel office address list. Open. It says select the table. What do I want to use? Yes, I want to use this one. Okay. And then I'm going to merge them. I can scroll through. Whoops. I can merge them. I can scroll through. See how many files there are. There's 5. I can merge them. I say edit individual. Say all. And there's all my files together. Okay, so if you do not have access on your computer, you're going to have to take the steps I just showed you here to pull up that file. And you let me know if you have any other questions.